impressive. Alright, this is another test of software recommended by Blue Goblin. I just got done beating my head against the keyboard because 20 minutes of recording and I didn't record a frame of what I was trying to do. Prior to that, I ended up with a bunch of pixelated crap that was impossible to watch. So this again is another test. Hopefully I can get it sorted out. If I can, this will go up on YouTube for people to laugh at. If not, I'll once again be beating my head against the keyboard and probably calling it quits. To hell with recording.